Hello everybody, so today we're going to be talking about ICT, and our topic for today is Excel, a few of the basic functions: addition, subtraction, the average, sum, and everything. So over here we have the content. So I've already written these things down. So now, firstly, it doesn't look like a table at all. So firstly, how do you add a table? So you click on the corner of your table and drag until the bottom, till all your content is covered. Then you see this thing called borders up here like this. You click on the arrow sign next to it and select all borders. There, now this looks much better. Now we want to highlight the ID, name, and price, which are the headings. So we can just select this and then go to fill and select yellow or any color of your choice. Now the price is just written as numbers, but it's meant to be a currency. So we can just select that and what we want as a currency. Then we go to this area here and select any of accounting symbol of our choice. We just want to put dollar and one decimal place or 0 decimal places. There. Now we can see that we have dollars with 0 decimal places. So now people know that this is the amount it costs. So now, what if somebody came in and bought all of these? What would the total be? Or how much does all of our items cost? So in the home, on this layout here, on this side, on this bar here, there's this auto sum. We click on the arrow, we click on sum, and then we select where we want it to sum. It's already selected here. Then we click enter. So the total is $215. So what is our average? What is our average here? So here we select average, and then these we can select, and then we close our bracket and then enter. So the average of our items is $31. So like the average price of each item is $31. Now what if we wanted to find like something, how much, if someone bought a storybook and then they returned it and bought a table, so how much money would the table cost after they gave the storybook? So this is the function for subtraction. We just put equal. Every function starts with equal, and then we select or we write our value here, which is 123, the cost of the table. Then we just subtraction and the storybook which they're returning. So it's 108. They have to pay 108. And for addition, it's also similar. What if someone bought a chair and a shelf? And then we add the plus sign, we select, and then enter. That's our answer. So these are a few of the basic functions in Excel.